Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Naveed Muhammad Pharmacology Lectures, Department of Pharmacy, Abdul Ali Khan University, Mardan, Pakistan.
Resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Both are same phenomena. The only difference is mesomeric effect was named by Engel in 1938, while the resonance effect was named by Pauli. The resonance is actually the delocalization phenomena, and that delocalization don't need any electron withdrawing group or electron donating group. But once the mesomeric or resonance effect is due to electron withdrawing group or electron donating groups, and these groups inducing the delocalization of pi electrons within a molecule, keeping the position of atom fixed. Now this induced resonance is known as resonance effect or mesomeric effect. So that's why when the resonance effect is induced by donator or withdrawal group, so resonance effect is of two types, positive R and negative R. So the positive R is that phenomena. This resonance occur when the group releasing electron to other molecule by the process of delocalization. So in very simple words, the positive resonance will be produced if the electron donating group share its pi electron, share its electron to the molecule, and then initiating the process of delocalization of pi electrons within the molecule. This is known as positive resonance, while the negative resonance is induced by the electron withdrawing groups. तो इसके लिए एग्जांपल ये है और इसके लिए एग्जांपल ये है. फॉर एग्जांपल the look here, positive resonance effect. This is methyl. This methyl share its electron here. Now once this share electron here, there is double bond, and once there is double bond, this double bond will share toward this carbon. Now this carbon want to share electron further, so when this pi electron is shared here,